Okay, tier number 3, the lowest seeded teams here. We got 7 times each. And away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Lynn is on the bottom, Lenny's on the top. And 7 times for the teams. Teams are Blue Jackets, Capitals, Wild, Ducks, Predators, Coyotes, Sabres, Lightning, Panthers, and Flames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here are your teams. Lenren, Coyotes, BREESNOAINTS, Flames. Devs gets the Predators. Big Dog the Wild. Kentaro gets Blue Jackets. Funky D with the Capitals. SLOPITCH, Panthers. Al Hill, Lightning. Kelly BW, Sabres. And Lynn with the Ducks. There you have it. Let me know if anyone's going to make any trades.